this is the lecture number 1 for the chapter constructions for the class 10th, and in this you have to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle when the ratio of the sides of the triangle is given. Now in question number 1 of this, you have to draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter and you have to divide it in the ratio 5:8. You have to divide it. So how can you do it? You simply draw a line segment 7.6 centimeter, draw the acute angles at the end of these be this. Taking a compass and with any suitable radius, you draw how many arcs? Taking the center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you draw 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us call it B8. Let us call A5. This is A and this is B. When you join it, this will divide this AB in the ratio 3:8 at point P. This is the how you can divide a line segment in a certain ratio. This is the easy question. Now I can construct it by using the scale and pencil. So what you have to draw it? You have to first of all draw a line which is equal to 7.6 centimeter. 7.6 centimeter. You draw 7.6 centimeter. This is the line segment AB, and you have to divide in the ratio 5:8. So you draw acute angles at both the ends, 90 degree, less than 90 degree, with a scale with compass and suitable radius. You draw 5 equal parts at one of the end on the left hand side, and here how many parts? 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the end A, and at end B you mark 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts with the same radius. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us call it A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. When you join this with the B8 and A5, it will cut the line segment AB at let us call it P. So AP is to BP is equal to 5:8. This is 5 part, this will be 8 part. So like this you can divide any line segment in a certain ratio. So this is the first question, which is a very easy question. But in the next question you have to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle, and the ratio between the sides of the triangle is given. The question number 2 is given. You have to construct a triangle ABC whose sides are 4, 5 and 6, and you have to construct a triangle similar to this triangle whose sides are 2/3. Whose sides are 2/3 of this. Means 2/3 is less than 1. It means this triangle will be smaller than this. 2/3 है उसका side, so it will be smaller than this triangle. So how you have to draw a similar triangle to a given triangle when the ratio between the sides of the triangle is given, and from 2/3 ratio we can detect that the required triangle will be smaller than the given triangle. 2/3 is less than 1, so it means it will be smaller than this triangle. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to construct a triangle ABC as usual. 5 centimeter, mark an arc 4 centimeter, cut with this 6. So you construct a triangle. Let us call it PQR. This is 6 and this is 4. This is 5 centimeter triangle. This is ABC. Now when you have to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle in which the side is required triangle is smaller than the given triangle. So what you have to do, you simply draw an acute angle at the one base of this triangle and mark 3 equal parts on this ray which is equal to the denominator of this, that is 1, 2, 3 with the same radius B1, B2, B3, and join the last B3 with this C. Now because we have to mark the 2/3, so 3 parts we have this and 2/3 we have to mark, so means second part will be this. So we have to draw a line at B2 which is parallel to B3C. So how can you draw a line parallel to this? You draw the same angles, measure this angle and mark it. You'll get a line parallel to this. Make these two angles equal. Here you draw a line parallel to this. So how can you draw it? Draw the same arc of same radius, measure this angle and mark it here and draw these two angles equal so that corresponding angles are equal. So this point will be A dash, B and C dash. So triangle A dash, B, C dash will be similar to triangle ABC whose sides will be 2/3 of the side of the triangle ABC. So this is how you have to construct a triangle in which the required triangle is smaller than the given triangle. Okay. So I'll construct it by using compass and scale. So first of all, construct a triangle. Draw the rough figure. ABC 4, 5, 6. To construct this triangle, first of all, the side is how much? It is 4 centimeter. So I am drawing it 4 centimeter. Let us call it BC. One of the side is 5 centimeter. So take a radius of 5 centimeter. Cut an arc. Another side is 6 centimeter. So take a radius 6 and cut this arc. You are getting a triangle ABC. You are getting a triangle ABC. Now to this triangle we have to make a triangle similar to this whose side is 2/3 of this. So what I have told you, you draw an acute angle here, mark the parts, number of parts in the denominator which is equal to 3. So I am taking as 1, 2 and 3. Let us call it B1, B2 and B3. Join this with the C at B2 because we have 2 part here, 2/3. So at B2 draw a line parallel to this B3C. So how you have to draw it? You draw an arc here with the same arc radius, draw another arc. I am trying to make these two angles equal. Measure this arc and make the same angle. This. These two angles will be same. Measure with the compass, same radius and join it. You'll get a line parallel to this. You'll get a line parallel to this. This is C dash. Now at C dash you have to draw a line parallel to this AC. So again at C draw some arc. At the C dash you draw the same radius. Measure this angle, how much it is? It is this angle and make this angle equal to this. So join with this C dash and you get a line parallel to AC. Let us call it A dash, this is B and this is C dash, and this is the required triangle which is similar to the triangle ABC. So triangle A dash BC dash is similar to triangle ABC whose sides is 2/3 of the side of the given triangle ABC. स्मॉलर बनेगा क्योंकि 2/3 जो है लेस देन 1 है, तो रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल स्मॉलर बनेगा और इस तरह से हम स्मॉलर एंगल बनाते हैं, स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल। लाइन पैरेलल बनानी है तो ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल, यहाँ पर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है पैरेलल तो ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल। अब तो 2-3 क्वेश्चन और करेंगे, यू कैन डू इट इजीली। Yes, in the next question number 3, what is given? It is given that you have to construct a triangle in which sides are given 5, 6 and 7, and you have to construct a triangle whose side is 7/5 of the side of the given triangle. Now see it very carefully. We have 7/5 means 7/5 is greater than 1. So it means the required triangle will be greater या larger than the given triangle. Okay, so first of all you construct a triangle. This is 6 centimeter, this is 5, and this is 7. So this is the triangle. First of all you have to construct. Now at B, draw an acute angle as usual in the previous question. You mark 7 points, equal parts on this line: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. You have to mark the number of equal parts of the ratio which is greater. पिछले में 2/3 था तो हमने 3 मार्क करे थे. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 7/5 है तो we have marked 7. Now the other part is 5. So this is the point 5. And you have to join with this end point of this side. इसको ज्वाइन करना है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैंने लास्ट से ज्वाइन करा था. ठीक है, जो डिनोमिनेटर वाला पार्ट होता है उसमें 2/3 था तो डिनोमिनेटर वाले पार्ट से लास्ट वाले को ज्वाइन करते हैं. तो डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट कितना है इसमें 5. तो यू हैव टू ज्वाइन इट हियर. नाउ द रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल विल बी ग्रेटर देन दिस ट्राइंगल, बिगर. तो यहाँ पर आप लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे पैरेलल इसके. ओके, तो B5 से ज्वाइन करना है लास्ट वाले को, B5. नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइन पैरेलल टू दिस B5C एट B7. तो वही एंगल इक्वल करेंगे यहाँ पर. ड्रॉ एन इक्वल एंगल्स, मेजर दिस एंगल और उतना ही एंगल यहाँ पर मार्क कर दो. तो यू विल गेट अ लाइन पैरेलल टू दिस साइड. यू हैव टू एक्सटेंड इट बिकॉज द रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल विल बी बिगर. तो यहाँ पर कहीं आके C' होगा, बड़ा ट्राइंगल बनेगा. नाउ हेयर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन पैरेलल टू दिस. कैसे? एक्यूट एंगल, सेम एंगल, measure this angle and mark on it. We'll draw a line parallel to this line, this, and it will meet this A on extending A'. So A', is similar to triangle ABC whose side is 7:5. Required triangle, बड़ा triangle बनेगा इसमें. Okay, we'll construct it. So what is given? Draw the रफ फिगर. ट्राइंगल ABC जिसकी साइड है हमारे पास 5, 7, 6. 5, 7, 6. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ साइड. हाउ मच? लेट अस कॉल इट 7. ये हमारा एक साइड हो गया. बची हुई साइड 5 और 6 है तो आप 5 आर्क खोल लीजिए. आर्क 5 एंड द रिमेनिंग साइड इज 7. तो पहले तो ट्राइंगल ही कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रहा है. दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल. This is the triangle ABC और जो रेशो बननी है वो 7:5 है. ठीक है, 7:5. तो what you have to draw? You have to draw an acute angle at the base of this. How many greater part is 7? तो you have to mark the 7 equal part on the ray starting from B. तो 7 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us call it B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. अब इसको किससे ज्वाइन करना है? जो डिनोमिनेटर वाला पार्ट होता है 5, तो 5 से ज्वाइन करना है. 5 से. Now at B7 you have to draw a line parallel to B5C. तो draw an arc. This. Use the proper compass and scale. Same radius. Measure this angle. This angle is this and mark it equal to this. You'll get a line parallel to this B57. तो B7 से एक line draw करेंगे हम किसके parallel? इसके. तो we are getting a line parallel to this. Okay. अब आपको इसको एक्सटेंड करना है. BC को कहीं ना कहीं जाके मीट करेगा ये. You have to extend it. तो this point will be C'. At C' I have to draw a line parallel to AC. AC के पैरेलल करना है तो वही arc, same radius at C and this point. Measure this angle. Corresponding angle इक्वल करके हम लाइन ड्रॉ करना चाह रहे हैं पैरेलल. ये तो यहाँ से एक लाइन ड्रॉ हो जाएगी किसके पैरेलल? This side AC के पैरेलल बन जाएगी आपके। ओके, इस तरह से बनना है। वी हैव ड्रॉन अ लाइन पैरेलल टू दिस AC और ये कहीं जाके आगे जाके इट विल मीट इट, ये कहीं आगे जाके इसको मीट करेगा। सो दिस विल बी A डैश, B तो सेम रहेगा, ये C डैश हो गया आपका। तो ट्राइंगल A डैश BC डैश इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल ABC जिसकी साइड 7:5 है। 7:5 का मतलब ग्रेटर देन 1, ग्रेटर देन 1 है। तो ट्राइंगल A डैश B और C डैश विल बी लार्जर देन द ट्राइंगल ABC बिकॉज its side the sides of triangle A dash BC dash is 7:5 of the original। 7/5 greater 1 है तो larger triangle बनेगा। तो like this you have to construct। I've explained you 2 times, one I explained you rough and this I made it fair। Okay, we'll continue the next lecture। Thank you।